What's up? So today I'm gonna be cutting a hole in this big ass bus. So I can put this water heater through. I already got my little hollow holes drilled. Take the cut around that shit. But it's a nice day today. I gotta do this. You know I'm fast with that shit. So this will come down, and I'll get it to line up when I close it, and it'll just stay in there, man. And then I'll put the bezel on here so water don't leak. I already built this little stand. I built another little stand. I gotta make it a little bit more sturdy, but that's good. Say what's up? Bow, it's done. How you like that shit? Got it done. I got it all installed. It's on. You can hear it in there making fire. God damn, man, I swear, they charge $1 million for this shit. And it be like, shitty. What is this fucking shit? There we go, I fixed it. Go, it's making hot water. I'm about to jump in the shower. Fuck yeah. Alright, here's the other side. It's a mess over here. I got all my shit I was using today, but my water pumps right there, so it just pumps right out there, up these lines, up in these lines upstairs into my shower. About to go put my shower head on, and this shit's just gonna. I'm gonna let my shower water just on the ground because it's just shower water. It's not poop, so fuck it. So yeah, right on. Good day accomplished. All right, we got water, dirty water, hot water too. See, hot. All right. Everything working good.